Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. Today, we'll be learning about computers and technology in Spanish. This is a very important vocabulary. We live in the 21st century and we use these words on a regular basis. But before we commence today, click that red button and subscribe. I upload videos every week. Muy bien.
Subscribe now.
La tecnología. Technology. La tecnología. La tecnología. Can you say that? La tecnología. El monitor. El monitor. You guessed it? That means the monitor. El monitor. Repeat after me. Monitor. Fantástico. Let's move on to the next word. El teclado. Teclado. That means keyboard. El teclado. 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 El teclado. Mouse. Ratón de computador. However, in many Spanish countries, you can say el mouse. That's an English word that Spanish has borrowed in many Spanish countries. Easy for you. El mouse o ratón de computador. El computador. El computador. El computador means the computer. El computador. I'm currently working on my computador. You can also say laptop. El computador portátil. El computador portátil. O el laptop. That's right. In many Spanish countries, we also say el laptop. Leo mensajes en mi computador. That means I read messages on my computer. Leo mensajes en mi computador. Can you repeat that? Leo mensajes en mi computador. Leo mensajes en mi teléfono. Leo mensajes en mi teléfono. Una vez más, los mensajes, ¿ok? Leo mensajes en mi computador. Leo mensajes en mi computador. Hago una llamada de video. That means I make a video call. Hago una llamada de video. Hago una llamada de video. Do you think you can say that? Say it slowly, despacito, and then you can increase your speed. Juego en mi consola. Juego en mi consola. That means I play on my console. So if you got an Xbox or a PlayStation, you would say juego en mi consola. Juego videojuegos. I play video games. Juego videojuegos. One more time and repeat after me. Juego videojuegos. Siguiente. Charlo con mis amigos. I chat with my friends. Charlo con mis amigos. I charlo con, with, my amigos, friends. Actualizo mi perfil. That means I update my profile. Actualizo, I update, my perfil, profile. Actualizo mi perfil. Okay, let's see if you can answer this. Let's see if you can complete. Veo video en. That means I watch videos on. Give it a guess. Veo videos en mi computador Or you can say, veo videos en mi teléfono. Siguiente. Navego internet. That means I surf the net. Navego internet. Navego internet. I surf the net. Instalo un programa. I install a program. Instalo un programa. Instalo un programa. Instalo un programa. Envío un correo electrónico. I send an email. Correo electrónico means email in Spanish. Envío un correo electrónico. One of our favorite ones, I download music. Descargo música. Descargo means I download. Descargo música. I download music.
Subscribe now.
Now, in here we got a typical office. In Spanish, the office is la oficina. La oficina, the office. We got a monitor, el computador, el reloj. El computador, the computer. Let's review these words. El computador. Repeat after me. El computador. Come on, you can do it. El computador. You can also say la computadora o el ordenador. In Spain, most people say el ordenador. But if you say el computador, they will also understand you. In most of Latin America, people say el computador. Okay, completa. Complete the following exercises. Let's see how you'll do. Let's see how you go with these exercises. Try to remember and practice the vocabulary that you've learned today. ¿Cómo se dice message en español? ¿Cómo se dice message en español? ¿Cómo se dice means how do you say it? ¿Cómo se dice? Se dice mensaje. ¿Cómo se dice computer en español? Do you remember? ¿Cómo se dice computer en español? El computador. Muy bien. If you said el computador o el ordenador, you get a point. ¿Cómo se dice profile in Spanish? Profile in Spanish is perfil. Mi perfil. My profile. If you said perfil, give yourself a point. ¿Cómo se dice I install a program en español? I install a program. Yo instalo un programa. Yo instalo un programa. Excelente. If you had that correct, give yourself another extra point. Oh, I love this one. This is an easy one. ¿Cómo se dice I download music in Spanish? Yo descargo música. O simply, descargo música. Descargo means I download. ¿Cómo se dice the office in Spanish? La oficina. And what about my office? Mi oficina. Mi oficina. This is my office. Esta es mi oficina. Dictado. Dictation. I'm going to dictate a few words for you. Try to write them down as you think they should be written down. Mi oficina. Mi oficina. One more time. Mi oficina. Siguiente. Write down the following. Yo juego videojuegos. I play video games. Yo juego videojuegos. Siguiente. We've got two expressions for the next one. Mando mensajes en mi teléfono. I send messages on my phone. Envío mensajes en mi teléfono. Otro ejemplo. Get ready to write this down. Yo charlo con mis amigos en internet. I chat with my friends in the internet. These words are very important because, as I explained to you before, we use them on a regular basis. If you ever get a teaching job overseas, if you go to a Spanish country because you need to work for a company and you need to use Spanish also when it comes to technology, you'll need to learn some of these expressions and the vocabulary. True, for example, as I explained to you before, you can say mi computador portátil for laptop, but in many countries you say el laptop for laptop. So you have to put on a Spanish accent and say laptop as laptop. But these are only a few words here and there. The truth is that in order to be able to communicate effectively in the office or in a workplace where they speak Spanish, you need to be able to express yourself fluently using these commands and these phrases in the Spanish language. See if you can revise this, review it, rewind the video, watch it again, and practice the dictation. That can help you a lot with your writing. Oh, and by the way, I know I was supposed to upload a lot of videos, but as you may be aware, I was very, very sick for 2 weeks, and now I've gone back to work. And it's been a bit challenging because I don't have much time. However, I'm going to make an effort to upload a couple of additional videos this coming week. And I got a surprise for you. Stay tuned. I got something that probably you weren't expecting. In approximately 2 días, 2 more days, I will be uploading a video with a little surprise. So hang in there. And I think you'll like it. The next video. Muy bien, mis amigos. Muchas gracias por ver mi video. Practica tu español con palabras relacionadas a la tecnología y te veo muy pronto. Cuídate mucho. Take care. Chao, chao.